Yeah, I'm ready, man. What you talking about?
This is not a tutorial, so don't be trying to judge me. It's real ugly. Who is that? What? Did you check the back?
Yeah, I checked the back.
Well, what was that?
Stuff flopping around in the back.
You laid up whatever was on this side down?
Yeah.
There's something on this side that was up that needed to be laid down.
What?
You just looked, you didn't do nothing. You didn't move anything.
12 seconds later.
No. No more purple. Yep, we gotta go down here to McDonough. Bartend. With some purple rain on deck. Not the dog, the actual martini. Purple rain. This the new weekend.
Said I didn't feel nothing, baby, but I love it.
So you got a new weekend CD you didn't share with me? So you got a new weekend mixtape you didn't share with me?
You have. Don't you have access to it?
How would I know that you even got it?
Because I told you the other day I was getting it. I said, hey, I think we can drop it on the floor. I'm going to get it. Remember that call?
In your dream.
It is.
And then you woke up and realized that you were talking in your dream.
So I didn't tell you I heard on the radio that we was dropping a new album? Yes,
No.
I did.
No, you
on
didn't.
Thursday.
No, you didn't.
I remember telling
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
You calling me a liar?
Whatever.
That was about 5 minutes, right? That looked different.
Nope. 7 minutes. We'll just change it to 10 minutes, Jared. That way it's good. You know, 10-minute makeup.
Okay.
What?
You guys
Well, this is on the road.
keep your eyes on Jesus. It's like you transform in 10 minutes.
I really want to buy some speakers, though. I said I really want to buy some speakers, though.
See what my tips look like today. See what my tips look like today.
Yeah.
Are we here?
We are here. We are ready.
Are we ready? Chris.
Oh, they are. You gonna put them in? Okay. Perfect. Okay.
All right.
Man cave. All right.
First, I didn't feel like working today, but you know, I would like to say thank you, Aroni and Eric. Give me a quick little break in my day so I can get to work and be excited to be here. I appreciate you guys. Love you.
That's when you need that extra camera crew. You can't be holding the phone the whole time and holding the cameras and stuff while we're doing the setup. Yeah. Skyla. Butcher anybody's name, boy. Oh, everything's set up now. You got the ice here?
That's cheaper.
I mean, give me $10 if I do. That was quick. Appreciate it. I got to count it.
It should be right.
You gonna make it rain?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
All right. All right, go.
And I'm you got Heineken Light. You got Heineken Light? Yes, Heineken. Okay.
Major. Oh, baby. You got the ponytail on the ticket. You got the ponytail on the ticket. I'm like, come on now. You're going to be up by before too long. No one's trying to cut it.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, 2 of them. I roughly got the time.
Oh, that's the can. I'll take the can of Sprite.
We need a cup of ice with that?
No, this is.
She got a job, but I still gotta eat some money in there every night.
It's a great time for a little monologue. They got the bar blocked off and people giving speeches so nobody can come and get drinks. But I was slinging drinks for 35 minutes straight with no one here to help me. I can teach y'all some things. Y'all don't listen. Y'all don't want to listen to me. Y'all don't want to listen. And I try to tell y'all be complaining about it, and they'll get tipped anyway. It has a lot to do with your skill set and your setup. If you put care in your bar, people notice. Do you know how many people walk up to my bar and say, "Oh wow, this is a nice setup. Oh my gosh." I get that all the time. And they're more apt to tip you because they see that you care about your job. In the corner. Nobody puts baby in the corner. Thought I looked cute today. So yeah.
I'm the same way. She ain't make me a drunk yet. Wife a bartender, you know what I'm saying? She always trying to front and act like something wrong with me, like I can't drink.
Because we don't drink on the job. Don't think it's okay. There's no drinking on the job with any girl entertainment. It's unprofessional.
Oh my God. I touched it. Then she asked for a drink. I'm like, no, I gotta get a napkin in front of her. I gotta wipe this off and put hand sanitizer on my hands. I like it when we finish early. Every time we finish early, Chris will make sure we leave later than we're supposed to.
Shut up.
Guaranteed. Every time.
I went in there to double check everything.
You didn't smoke?
I smoked. Cause I smoked.
My hood. We on Hood Street. Anyway, so we'll finish the event up. And this is what the hair looks like after all that cuteness earlier today. Anywho. So, yeah, that was a great event, huh, Chris?
Sure, Charity.
Chris wasn't even there. How many times you had to leave, Chris?
A few.
What'd you have to leave for, Chris?
Liquor, ice, liquor.
Dad was closed when he went the third time, huh?
Yep.
Yep. The husband was like, I told her we was gonna need more than one bottle of honey jack. She said it'd be fine. Like I emphasized to my staff, it's not about the tips. Most events are private events, weddings, corporate events, stuff like that. A lot of times the guests come, they don't expect a bartender at it either. They don't think there's going to be a bartender there serving drinks, so they didn't bring their money with them and stuff like that. So that's why, you know, we pay these rates instead of paying $2.13 an hour and saying, hey, go make as much tips as you can and that's your pay. You know, so we try to emphasize that, but I was being funny, but I was being serious. You know, when you hear the same people say, I didn't get tipped, I didn't get tipped, you got to start looking at what are you doing where people are not inspired to tip you. Huh? You know, inspired to tip you at an event. So, you know, as the owners of the company, we don't work for tips. We don't even work for, you know, we're basically working for free because, of course, the money that we get from the client, it goes back to the business. So, you know, it's not like, oh, yes, I made, you know, this in my paycheck like everybody gets on Monday. And then, you know, it's not really about the tips. So we still going to get the same service no matter where we go and all of that. It's been some events where, have I not got tipped like not $1? Yeah, so it's been some events like that. Yeah, so this event, we got there at 7 to set up. The bar opened at 8:05. You know, for the first 35 minutes, it was Chris had to leave. He went to go get the little carousel in the first 35-40 minutes of the bar opening, and it was packed. It was very, very busy. Probably I had already made $50 in that first 30 minutes. And when he came back, we were sitting around for like 45 minutes because they were doing a lot of talking. All in all, we probably were out. I probably bartended, made a basic 4-hour event, and you know, I made $300 in tips at a private event, private party. This is not a cash bar. It's an open bar. All the drinks are free, and it goes back to, like I was saying earlier, you got to start looking at what am I not doing right? What am I, you know, why people are not, you know, apt to want to tip, you know? And it was one of those situations where other people would be in the back of the line telling people in the front of the line, if you ain't got no tip money, you need to get out of the line. Because she making these drinks, you know? And it's like, it's your presentation, client enjoyed it. They were happy. You know, so that's about it for me. Good night. It's bedtime.